charge on electron by Millikan oil drop method. This is another name, oil drop method. Oil drop method, ठीक है। Charge on an electron by Millikan oil drop method. Okay. In 1909, R.A. Millikan devised a technique that resulted precise measurement of the charge on an electron. अगर पाकिस्तान में ये साइंटिस्ट होता तो इसका नाम क्या होना था? राना अब्दुल मलिक, ठीक है ना। लेकिन इसमें क्या है, पाकिस्तानियों ने कोई काम नहीं किया अभी तक। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डायग्राम, द एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड डायग्राम। दिस वन इज द कंटेनर having a window. Here this one is the window, and this is the light source of light. And as the light travel in all the directions, so the lens is used to focus the light on their droplet. Okay, this one is the atomizer. The function of atomizer is to make the tiny droplets. Okay, but due to friction with the walls of the atomizer, that droplets will be charged and negatively charged oil droplets. As these droplets move downward due to gravity, and one particle or one droplet inside of the container, we will close this hole, and only one droplet will be under consideration. This one is the microscope, which watches this droplet on the upper side, and this one is the upper plate and this one is the lower plate. That these two plates are attached with the battery. This one is the positively charged, so these are positively charged, and this one is the negatively charged plate. So this one is behave like a capacitor pair. As that droplet is moved downward due to gravitational force, we use here a rheostat or variable potential divider to make the charge increase or decrease on that plate, which attract the negatively charged electron or any droplet upward and due to gravity downward. By fixing this one, when these two forces are equal to each other, this will become at rest. Okay, so in derivation, force F, electric force, and gravitational force, these are equal, and electric force is equal to EQ. This one is the electric field and this one is the charge, and gravitational force is equal to the weight of the body, and which is equal to mg. So this one, by putting, we will get the EQ is equal to mg. Here we know that the E is the magnitude of potential gradient, which is equal to V over D. So the value of E is equal to V over D is equal into Q. So in our topic, we want to find the charge on that droplet. So this charge separate, and V and D on the other side of this equation, and use the equation of density to find the mass of droplet, because this is very small mass and we cannot measure it by any physical balance or any other tools. So only one way to find the mass, that is the formula of density. Density is equal to mass over volume of the droplet. Here rho is symbol of density, m is symbol of mass, and v is symbol of volume of droplet. That droplet is basically like a sphere. like this one, like a football or ball, and that sphere having volume is equal to V 4/3 pi r cube, and that droplet is also having like the sphere. So this volume in the fourth equation, this one is equation modified by moving V here, the mass is equal to rho V, and V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Here another problem occurs, R. So now I am going to work to find the R. Another equation, Stokes law, in the first year chapter number 6. F is equal to 6 pi eta r V. V is terminal velocity here. V is terminal velocity here. Okay. The force is equal to mg, and which is equal to 6 pi eta r V, and just separate the mass by moving the g towards the denominator of that factor. Okay. This mass and this mass, just by comparing these two equations 5 and 6, we will get this equation, and we will find the r square here after calculation. When we find the r here, all these factors are well known. This is the coefficient of viscosity, this is the terminal velocity. We can find here in these figures by using the microscope that distance traveled in unit time. We can find the terminal velocity, this one. And selenium oil having specific coefficient of viscosity and specific density, G is 9.8. so all these are the constant here, and just putting the values we will get the r square. Just r, put this r after taking under root, this will be r is equal to under root 9 eta pi r eta dt and 2 rho g. After calculation, the value put in this equation number 5, we will get the mass of that droplet, and that mass of the droplet, when we will put here g d v, v is the potential, and m, we will get this one is the charge on that droplet, which is that droplet having the charge which is integral multiple of this quantity, 1.6 multiplied 10 raised minus 19 coulomb. This one is the minimum value. Here number may be 5, maybe 10, maybe 100, maybe 95, any number, but that factor common in each value, and this one is the minimum value, and we can consider as this one the charge on electron, which is equal to 1.6 multiplied 10 raised minus 19 coulomb, and in 1999 to 2020 it will consider as the charge on electron. That time he was measured that in charge of electron accurately. Okay.